Start. With the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum dear educarians. I hope that you all are fine and taking advantage of online classes. Welcome in computer class. As you people know that in our previous lesson we have started chapter number 5 and we have done reading from page number 51 till 53. In our today's lesson we will do reading from page number 54 till 57. So let's start. Material required for this lesson is computer book, lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, ruler and computer notebook. I hope that you all have collected all these things and get ready for the lesson. This is Computer in Action with Windows 10 and Microsoft Office 2013 book. Our today's topic is chapter number 5, Windows 10. Before starting our today's lesson, let's recall our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have learned about what is operating system. Operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It is the software that actually lets us communicate with the computer. We are able to give instructions and get our work done on the computer because of the operating system. A computer cannot run without an OS. Some of popular operating systems used on desktop are Microsoft Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Next one is Microsoft Windows operating system. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating system. Some of its features are Microsoft Windows is a graphical user interface. It is easy to learn and use. It allows you to work on many programs at the same time. Next one is starting Windows 10. When you switch on a computer, a screen appears automatically. This screen signifies that Windows OS is being loaded into the computer memory. This process of loading the operating system after a computer is switched on is called booting. After booting, a screen appears. This is called the login screen. A login screen asks you to enter a username and a password. Learning objectives. After today's lesson, you will be able to define what is a desktop, icons and taskbar. Now open page number 54, write day, date and today's task. Let's start reading. Our today's topic is desktop. The first screen that appears on the monitor after the Windows OS is loaded is called the desktop. Windows OS की लोडिंग के बाद जो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन मॉनिटर पे अपीयर होगी, दिस स्क्रीन इज कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप. अंडरलाइन दीज लाइंस. Figure 5.3 shows Windows desktop. Just as we place a pen stand, timetable or a clock on top of our study table, dear students, जिस तरह से हम अपने स्टडी टेबल पर पेन स्टैंड, टाइम टेबल और क्लॉक को रखते हैं because these things are used frequently. Similarly, frequently used things are placed on a computer desktop. The desktop contains the following items, icons and the taskbar. Figure 5.4 shows two items, icons and taskbar on the desktop screen. Next one is keywords. Desktop, the working space on a computer screen that appears when a computer boots up. Underline this keyword. Now open page number 54. Write today's task. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Desktop पे जो हमें small pictures show होती हैं, these pictures are called icons. When we double click an icon, a window gets opened or a program is executed. जब हम एक आइकन पर डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो एक विंडो ओपन होती है और हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है वो एग्जीक्यूट हो जाता है. अंडरलाइन दीज लाइंस. सम ऑफ द कॉमन आइकन्स ऑन द डेस्कटॉप आर माई कंप्यूटर एंड रिसाइकिल बिन. डबल क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस पीसी आइकन, जब हम दिस पीसी के आइकन पर डबल क्लिक करते हैं, फिगर 5.5a शोज दिस पीसी आइकन ओपन्स अ विंडो, तो हमारे पास एक विंडो ओपन होती है। फिगर 5.5b शोज दिस विंडो दैट लेट्स यू चेक द कंटेंट्स ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर्स हार्ड डिस्क, CD or DVD or any other storage device such as a pen drive that is connected to your computer at that time। जब हम दिस पीसी के आइकन पर डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो आपके कंप्यूटर के जितने भी कंटेंट्स हैं आप उन सबको चेक कर सकते हैं, लाइक CD, DVD, हार्ड डिस्क और एनी अदर स्टोरेज डिवाइस सच एज अ पेन ड्राइव दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू योर कंप्यूटर एट दैट टाइम। Figure 5.5b, this PC or my computer shows when you double click on this PC icon, this screen appears on your desktop. You can check all these contents of your computer. Now open page number 56, write today's task. When we delete a file or a folder, it goes to the recycle bin. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप एक फाइल और फोल्डर को डिलीट कर देते हैं तो ये रिसाइकिल बिन में सेव हो जाती है। फिगर 5.6a शोज रिसाइकिल बिन आइकन। वी कैन डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस आइकन टू व्यू द डिलीटेड फाइल और फोल्डर्स। अगर आप डिलीटेड फाइल और फोल्डर्स को व्यू करना चाहते हैं तो आप रिसाइकिल बिन के आइकन पर डबल क्लिक करेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन इज डिड यू नो। टू परमानेंटली डिलीट एन आइटम, press shift plus delete. Underline this did you know. Figure 5.6b recycle bin. After double clicking the recycle bin icon, this screen appears on your desktop. You can view all of your deleted file or folders. Some icons may represent a file or a folder. कुछ जो आइकन्स होते हैं वो फाइल और फोल्डर को भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। वी सेव आवर वर्क इन फाइल्स इन अ कंप्यूटर। अ फोल्डर इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ सच फाइल्स। अंडरलाइन दिस लाइन। नेक्स्ट वन इज कीवर्ड्स। फाइल एन ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट मीन कोई भी थिंग या चीज ऑन अ कंप्यूटर दैट स्टोर्स डाटा सच एज टेक्स्ट एंड इमेजेस। कोई भी चीज़ कंप्यूटर पर जो हमारा डाटा टेक्स्ट और इमेज की फॉर्म में सेव करती है, दिस इज कॉल्ड फाइल। नेक्स्ट वन इज फोल्डर, a collection of related files or documents kept within one place. Collection of files kept within one place is called folder. Underline these keywords. Next one is tips and tricks. To restore a deleted file or folder, किसी भी deleted file और folder को restore करने के लिए right click on it and select restore from the shortcut menu. इस पर हम राइट क्लिक करेंगे और शॉर्टकट मेन्यू में से रिस्टोर पर क्लिक करेंगे। अंडरलाइन दिस टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स। नेक्स्ट वन इज लेट अस लर्न मोर अबाउट दिस कॉमनली यूज आइकन्स। नंबर वन, फाइल आइकन। वी सेव आवर वर्क इन अ फाइल इन अ कंप्यूटर। आइकन्स ऑफ फाइल्स मे बी डिफरेंट। जो फाइल्स के हमारे पास आइकन्स होते हैं वो मे बी डिफरेंट हो। Figure 5.7 shows file icons. Next one is folder icons. A folder is a collection of files. Collection of file is called folder. It helps us to keep the files organized. हमारी हेल्प करती है अपनी तमाम फाइल को एक वे में ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकें। Figure 5.8 shows folder icons. Next one is program icons. A program starts by clicking on the icon of that program. Figure 5.9 shows program icons. Taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the computer screen. कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पर बॉटम पे जो आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल बार शो होती है, दिस बार इज कॉल्ड टास्क बार। अंडरलाइन दीज लाइन्स। Some of the important parts of the taskbar are shown in figure 5.10 like start button, search button, frequently used and open programs, notification area and peek button. Now it's time for notebook work. Take out your computer notebook. Before starting notebook work, Firstly, you will write index on this page. Our today's index is serial number 4, date, topic, chapter number 5, question answer 1 and 2. Firstly, draw a margin line, then write day, date and today's task, topic, chapter number 5, question answer 1 and 2, Windows 10. Question number 1, state one function of an operating system. Answer, an operating system is a very important software. It controls the working of the computer. Microsoft Windows is the most. Open next page. Firstly draw a margin line and then write today's task. Popular operating system. Question number 2. Name some icons present on the desktop. Answer. Some icons present on the desktop are My Computer, Recycle Bin, Adobe Reader. Open next page. Draw a margin line and then write today's task. VLC Media Player. I hope that you all have understood our today's lesson. Let's summarize it once again. In our today's lesson, we have learned about desktop. The first screen that appears on the monitor after the Windows OS is loaded is called the desktop. The desktop contains two items, icons and the taskbar. Next one is icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. When we double click an icon, a window gets opened or a program is executed. Some of the common icons on the desktop are My Computer and Recycle Bin. Next one is taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the computer screen. Some of the important parts of the taskbar are Start button, Search button, frequently used, and Open programs, notification area and peek button. Now it's time for task to do. Revise highlighted points from page number 54 till 57 and write and learn question number 1 and 2 of chapter number 5 on your computer notebook. So, I hope today's lesson is helpful for you. I will see you in my next lesson. Till that time, take care yourself and others. Allah Hafiz.